Hey guys, I'm going to teach you a new Zentangle pattern today. Feel free to use it in your project. The name of this pattern is called Belle. This is a micron pen. It's an 03. It's a very small tip. Here we go. Follow along. It starts with some plus marks. Those can be small plus marks, big. They can go this way or that. This is one of those Zentangle patterns that kind of just fits anywhere, and you can use it sporadically. Draw some plus signs, big and small. Now what you're going to do with that is take these from the corner and you're going to draw a curved line. Draw 1, 2, 3. Notice how I'm starting at the point and ending at the point. Starts at the same point, ends at the same point. Starts at the same point, ends at the same point. Rotate. What we're going to be doing is the same thing again and again. 1, 2, 3. I rotate my paper each time, so I'm just doing a curved line. It's like a capital D. 1, 2, 3. Rotate. 1, 2, 3. Rotate. 1, 2, 3. Next one. 1, 2. I think I only have room for 2 on this one. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Rotate. 1, 2, 3. Rotate. You guys get the idea. Just keep doing it. Try not to grip your pencil super tight. Just relax. Always pull your pen towards you. Try to make smooth, clean lines. Sometimes if people go too slow, it ends up not looking good because it shakes. So just go at a medium speed. 1, 2, 3. Next one. 1, 2, 3. Starts and ends at the same spot. Starts here, ends here. Starts here, ends here. Starts here, ends here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Always rotate your paper so that you're pulling your pen towards you. I'm going to make this one a little bit longer. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Almost done with this part. Rotate. Now we're going to go back and add another element. Start at this point right here and go down on the other side. 1, 2, if you have room, 3. Rotate. 1, 2, 3. Zentangle patterns rarely ever cross over another line. Once you reach another line, stop. Don't keep going over that other line. Next one. 1, 2, 3. Rotate. 1, 2,